This model kit review is of the F-15, and this is a 1/44 scale model, and it's by Minicraft model kits, and it actually has two different versions for you to paint. That's pretty much it on the outside of the box. So let's have a look inside. First of all, we're going to have a look at our sprues, and this doesn't look like a very complicated kit. So first of all, here we've got our fuselage. We've got some very faint panel lines, and they're raised, not recessed. Here's our nose. There's our air intakes, quite thick, the plastic there. We've got a fuel tank there. We've got some weapons. We've got our wheels with landing gear already attached. Here we've got our wing and the top part of the fuselage. We've got our two tails, our exhausts there. So it looks like probably part of our wheel well covers there. I don't see, here we go, there's the other plastic. There is our canopy. It's quite a simple model, however we have some really good decals here. Here are the instructions. So let's have a look here. So there's the parts listing there. Shows you how to build the model, do all the different pieces. It's recommending you put in a weight in the nose. And shows you the alignment of the tails. They're not completely vertical. Missiles and fuel tank. And stationary version is with the wheels down, and then the canopy. So that's the in-flight version, stationary version. Here are the two versions for painting, as well as the decals here. Here's the other version from 2001. So all in all, that's it's a fun little model, and it's probably a good one for beginners.